Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super natural, glowy, dewy, fast, quick, and easy look. This is a look that if you have 5 minutes to get dressed, you can do it because I literally just did this in 5 minutes. I didn't use expensive products and I don't have a lot of makeup on at all. I literally only have about 5 things on. So it's super simple, super easy. But before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and go follow me on all my social media that's linked to my YouTube. So let's jump right into that. First thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I'm going to use my Epion's Lytic treatment first. If you didn't watch my last video, my whole skincare routine is in there and it shows everything that I use from washing to the end product. So I'm just going to put a little pea-sized amount on my face and just dab it. And then after I get the Lytic treatment on, I'm going to put my Epion's Renewal Face Lotion on. I'm going to put 2 pumps of that on my face. After I get those 2 on, I'm going to put my Scentsy eye cream on under my eyes and just use a little tiny dot like that. And then I rub it in together. Alrighty, so once I get those 3 products on, I'm going to go ahead and do my primer. I use the e.l.f. primer. I did a whole video on e.l.f. Cosmetics, like a full face glam with that, so if you haven't watched that, definitely go watch that because that's some bomb makeup for super cheap. So I use about that much. I'm going to do my foundation. But since we're going for a more natural, like glowy look, so I'm going to do about 2 pumps of foundation on this. And then I'm going to do about 2 pumps with my renewal lotion as well. So this is about the ratio. And then I'm just going to put this all over my face. It's not like full coverage, it's nothing crazy, because mixing it with a moisturizer just makes it very subtle if we're going for not such a full coverage look. So I'm going to take the concealer and I use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Another one that I swear by is these Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use this one because it's lighter than my Shape Tape one. So I'm not going to go as crazy as I normally do with the concealer, like when I'm doing like a full glam. So I'm just going to do dots. And then I'm going to do up my nose, and then right here, and right here. So that's about how much I use whenever I'm doing the concealer. Once I get my concealer on, I'm just going to set under my under eye with just a little bit. I'm going to take my beauty blender and put this under my under eye. And setting like this is just so your concealer does not crease. And then with the rest that was on the beauty blender, I'm just going to put it all over my face. I also do my eyelids so I don't crease there either. And I'm not going to let this sit under my under eye, so I'm going to wipe it away like immediately. Now I'm going to do my contouring, but I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to do like a few little dots, and I'm going to do liquid. So I will show you guys how much I use for that. So this is about how much I use, and I'm just going to tap, 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 and then you can go all around your face if you want. I'm just going to do like 1 or 2 up here, but I don't have that much left on my finger. And then you can just rub the rest around your chin. So that's as much as I'm gonna use, just because I'm going for more like just a natural day-to-day wear. So there's my contour. Literally so quick and easy too. So it's nothing that takes forever. So now I'm just gonna do a super light, natural looking blush. I use the MAC Mocha. This is like, I've had this so long and it is my favorite color ever. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my brush, tap it off, and I'm gonna do the apples of my cheeks. And I'm not gonna do like my whole cheek, I'm just gonna do the apples. Alright, so here's my blush, which was super simple and easy. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows super quick. And like I said, I used the Morphe, and this is in the color D, I can't even say it, yeah. So now I'm just going to, I use a spoilie to wipe them off, to wipe everything off, that like the foundation and stuff. So I'm just gonna do that on both of them. Put a little bit on my angled brush, not much. So now I'm just gonna do a lip gloss. This one's a super natural color and is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the color Pink Cosmo. Now I'm going to do my bottom lashes super quick with it's called the Roller Lash by Benefit. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my bottom lashes. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. It literally took me probably about 5 to 7 minutes to do this, and it's super simple. All the products I used were super cheap. I will link every one like in the price of how much each thing costed. So the only thing that really costed a little bit was like my skincare stuff, my lotion and my lytic treatment and my under the eye. Those were the only things that were a little pricey, but everything that I used for this look was super cheap. And also you can use any moisturizer, any primer, anything that's super hydrating because it's gonna give you just a natural glowy look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video because it's gonna be a good one. And that's coming tomorrow, so wish me luck. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and go follow me on all my social media linked to my YouTube. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.